Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if the notification center is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video.
To fix it, go at the top and then go to folder, and you can type in this in the search over here, and then make a double click on users, your username and library, and over here find group containers folder. So find group containers. So here you can see group containers. Open this folder. Now once you open group containers, now find group.com.apple.user notification. So scroll down. So here you can see group.com.apple.user notification. Open this folder. Now open library folder. Now open user notification folder. Now open a remote folder. Now once you open remote folder, if you see default folder, open default and then delete the content of default folder. So delete everything which is under default. So you have to go to this location. So you have to open the remote folder and then default and delete the content of the folder. Now once you delete it, now you can restart your Mac once. Restart.
So that should fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.